Join me as I dive deep into the mystery of whether ancient ruins on the moon could actually be ours, and I'm going to try to find evidence to prove it. For decades, strange shapes and structures spotted in lunar photographs have sparked endless debates. Some claim that NASA deliberately hides or censors certain images, suggesting that the moon holds secrets far beyond what we've been told. Could these mysterious formations be the remains of an ancient human civilization, long forgotten? Or are they signs of extraterrestrial visitors who reached the moon long before us? Tonight, we peel back the layers of speculation and science to uncover the shocking possibility that the ruins on the moon may not just be alien artifacts, but something deeply connected to our own lost history. The moon has always been more than just a glowing rock in our night sky. It's been a canvas for myths, inspiration for science, and now, a battleground for some of the most intriguing mysteries of our time. With modern telescopes and high-resolution images from NASA's missions, we've been able to study the moon's surface like never before. And yet, instead of answers, new questions keep emerging. Among the most provocative claims are those about strange structures, shapes and formations that don't look like natural craters or ridges. To some, these are nothing more than tricks of light and shadow, products of billions of years of impacts and erosion. But to others, they resemble ancient ruins, evidence of lost civilizations or extraterrestrial architects. The real question is, could these mysterious anomalies actually be ours? Could humanity have a forgotten chapter of history written on the moon itself? The mystery of the so-called moon ruins really begins with the clash between science and speculation. On one side, the scientific community argues that every strange shape, shadow, or pattern on the moon can be explained naturally. Billions of years of asteroid impacts, volcanic activity, and erosion have sculpted the lunar surface into bizarre forms that sometimes resemble towers, domes, or even walls. To scientists, these are nothing more than illusions created by light, shadow, and imagination. But on the other side are the believers, those who see symmetry where randomness shouldn't exist, or geometric lines that look too precise to be accidents. They point to photos from NASA's Apollo missions or more recent images from lunar orbiters, claiming that these reveal evidence of artificial structures. Some even argue that official agencies suppress or censor the most revealing images. The problem, then, is not only a lack of proof, but also a battle of perception. Natural geology versus the possibility of forgotten civilizations or alien architects. If this journey into the mystery of the moon's alleged ruins has sparked your imagination, don't stop here. Hit the like button if you enjoyed diving into these theories, and subscribe so you don't miss the next big mystery we uncover together. When we dive deeper into the mystery of lunar anomalies, three major theories emerge. The first is the idea of an ancient human presence on the moon. Some theorists suggest that long before recorded history, advanced civilizations may have reached space and left behind remnants, ruins now mistaken as natural formations. While mainstream archaeology finds no evidence for this, the concept ties into myths about lost civilizations like Atlantis. The second theory focuses on NASA and the Apollo missions. Could the odd shapes on the lunar surface simply be leftover artifacts from human exploration, misinterpreted as ruins? Some conspiracy enthusiasts argue that NASA knows more than it reveals, pointing to blurred or missing photos in official archives. Finally, there's the extraterrestrial theory, the belief that alien megastructures exist on the moon. Symmetrical formations like the Reiner Gamma swirl or images of a tower-like structure captured by lunar orbiters fuel speculation. Are these signs of intelligent design, or just tricks of geology and shadow? The debate continues, fueled by curiosity and mystery. One of the most striking moments in the debate over lunar ruins comes from an image captured by NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. In this photo, a strange, tower-like structure seems to rise from the moon's surface. Its symmetry and sharp edges look almost too precise to be a natural formation. Conspiracy theorists argue this could be undeniable evidence of an artificial construction, perhaps an ancient ruin, or even a remnant of advanced technology left behind long before humans officially set foot on the moon. To heighten the mystery, some claim that earlier NASA photographs showed similar anomalies, but were blurred or removed from public archives. If this structure is truly artificial, it forces us to rethink everything we know. Was there once a lost civilization capable of space travel? Could this be proof of extraterrestrial engineering? Or is it simply a trick of lighting and geology? This moment marks the peak of the mystery, raising more questions than answers. If the alleged ruins on the moon were proven to be human-made, the implications would be staggering. It would mean our history books are incomplete, that humanity may have achieved space travel or advanced engineering long before the official records suggest. Such a revelation could redefine our understanding of ancient civilizations and their capabilities. On the other hand, if these ruins were of extraterrestrial origin, the discovery would be even more profound. It would prove that intelligent life exists beyond Earth and that we are not alone in the cosmos. This would spark a scientific revolution, influencing everything from astronomy to philosophy, and might even reshape global politics as nations compete to investigate further. Yet, if these anomalies are nothing more than natural formations, that outcome still carries weight. It shows us how easily our imaginations can blur the line between science and mystery, and it underscores the need for critical thinking when exploring space. No matter the truth, the consequences force humanity to confront its curiosity, its fears, and its place in the universe. The mystery of the moon's alleged ruins leaves us standing at the edge of science and speculation. While mainstream scientists remain firm in their stance that these anomalies are products of geology, shadows, or photographic distortions, the allure of something more continues to capture imaginations worldwide. If nothing else, the debate itself reflects humanity's unshakable curiosity, our need to question what lies beyond the known and to search for hidden chapters of our history. Whether these formations are ancient remnants, extraterrestrial markers, or simply nature's artistry, they remind us that the moon is far from a lifeless rock. It is a symbol of mystery, a canvas where we project our greatest hopes, fears, and possibilities. One truth remains certain. The moon holds secrets yet to be uncovered, and each unanswered question brings us one step closer to expanding the boundaries of human understanding. So where does all this leave us? We've explored the mystery of the moon's alleged ruins, looked at theories of lost civilizations, NASA's hidden activities, and even extraterrestrial involvement. We've seen how skeptics explain these anomalies as tricks of light, shadows, and geology, while others insist the evidence points to something far more profound. The truth? It may be that the moon holds both, natural wonders and hidden mysteries waiting for discovery. What we know for certain is that these questions push humanity to keep looking upward, to challenge official narratives, and to expand our search for answers. Whether the so-called ruins are ancient markers, alien artifacts, or simple illusions, they remind us that space exploration is still in its infancy, and that our understanding of the universe is only just beginning. This isn't the end of the story, it's the start of a much bigger journey. Do you think the alleged ruins on the moon are proof of an ancient human civilization, evidence of extraterrestrial life, or just natural formations?